The core working mechanism of a semiconductor chiller is based on the principles of refrigeration cycle and heat exchange. Heat transfer is achieved through the phase change process of the refrigerant in a closed system. The workflow can be divided into 4 key stages: evaporation and heat absorption. Low-pressure liquid refrigerant absorbs heat from the object being cooled in the evaporator, vaporizing into low-temperature, low-pressure vapor, compression, and pressurization. The compressor draws in the low-temperature vapor and compresses it, turning it into a high-temperature, high-pressure gas, condensation, and heat release. The high-temperature, high-pressure refrigerant enters the condenser, releasing heat to the cooling medium and condensing into a high-pressure liquid, throttling and pressure reduction. After the high-pressure liquid refrigerant is depressurized by the throttling valve, it returns to a low-temperature, low-pressure liquid and returns to the evaporator to complete the cycle.